Alright guys, I'm going to run my Favre and Rogers Raz here. Good luck. Thank you guys for all getting in. 547. We will type live. We are live. 547. 547. I drop the list down here. 10 spots. We'll drop it into random. 10 entries. Patrick on top, David on the bottom. Alright, good luck guys. Here we go. 2 dice, 5 or higher. Whoops, sorry guys. Here I clicked 3 dice instead of 2. So I'm going to just redo it. Here we go. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. My bad. 4 is not high enough. We roll 2 dice again. And 7. That's good. 7 times. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times dice is 7. Next click, top spot. Good luck. And 7. Congrats. Spot number 4, David Brown. You are the winner. Get in touch with me and I will get those out to you. We are done. 548. I'll type done. We are done. 548. 548. Verification. And the timestamp.